Manipur has witnessed a big jump in the COVID-19 cases in the last 24 hours. The state recorded 10 positive cases today, taking the total tally to 282. Official reports said there are 218 active cases and the number of recovered patients is 64 so far. In the largest single-day spike, 100 persons tested positive at the Virus Research and Diagnostic Laboratories (VRDL) of Regional Institute of Medical Sciences (RIMS) and Jawaharlal Nehru Institute of Medical Sciences (JNIMS) in fall yesterday. Assam registered 59 new COVID-19 cases, taking the state's tally to 2,835. Confirming the news, Assam Health Minister Himanta Biswa Sarma in a tweet late last night informed that the infected patients are from 11 districts in Assam. With the new cases, the number of active COVID-19 cases in Assam stands at 2,044. Meanwhile, the Dipu Medical College in Assam's Korbi Anglong has been accredited by Indian Council of Medical Research (ICMR) New Delhi as testing lab for COVID-19. With this, all the 7 medical colleges have the capabilities and regulatory approvals for COVID-19 testing. State Health Minister Himanta Biswa Sarma made the announcement through his official Twitter handle today. India continues to grapple with ever-increasing numbers of COVID-19 cases, with its total count going past 2.66 lakh, even as more lockdown curbs have been lifted, allowing reopening of restaurants, hotels, malls and places of worship after a gap of more than 2 months, a media report said. The coronavirus pandemic is worsening globally, even as the situation in Europe is improving, the World Health Organization has warned. As many as 9,987 new cases of the novel coronavirus and 331 deaths in the last 24 hours, ending this morning, has pushed India's total tally to 2.66 lakhs. According to the Health Ministry, the death toll due to coronavirus in India has climbed to 7,466. With the fresh number of COVID-19 cases in India, the total now stands at 2,66,598, according to the Health Ministry. Amidst the health emergency due to COVID-19 pandemic across the world, 2 persons have died and 3 persons have tested positive of Plasmodium falciparum malaria, cerebral malaria, also known as PF outbreak in Taukoklung village under Nungba subdivision of Noni district. Volunteers of Nungba-based civil society organizations seized a truckload of illicit foreign liquor near Nungba Bazaar yesterday. They also caught the driver and the handyman of the truck with registration number NL010178. A team of Thoubal District Police arrested a drug peddler along with 2.5 kgs of opium near Komalching waiting area in Thoubal District last afternoon. According to our Thoubal correspondent, the arrested was identified as Grayson Tangkul, age 41 years, of Ashang Kulen in Kamjang District. Pungyar constituency MLA K. Laisho, during a simple function today, launched a road broadening and blacktopping work on the National Highway 102 stretch from Konglo to Kasong Kulin. National Highway Division Additional Chief Engineer T. Rabindra Kumar, Executive Engineer Y. Bocho, Assistant Engineer Saddam Hussain, Section Officer I. Boy and others were present during the simple function at Kuntha Playground. Patsoi MLA A.K. Mirabai today provided cooking gas connections to 309 households under Ujjwala scheme. The event was held in collaboration with Patsoi Gas Agency. Following a TOMTV exclusive report on the hapless life of Moirangthim Rajesh, aid has been pouring in for him from different quarters. Members of Kanglei Lamdamgi Irecha, KLI, today visited Rajesh's residence at Langol Ayinglekhai in Imphal and donated Rs 13,700 to his family.